Students, good morning to all. Already we completed up to 2 sums in exercise 5.5. Now we see the third sum. Find the length of median through A of a triangle whose vertices are A of minus 1, 3, B of 1, minus 1 and C of 5, 1. In this sum, we have to find out the length of median, okay, through A. So listen, we take a one triangle A, B, C. The vertices are given minus 1, minus 1, 3, A and B of 1, minus 1 and C of 5, 1. Listen, in this sum, we have to find out the length of the median through A. That is the length of the AD. Okay. So listen, D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. So we have to find out the midpoint D. So D of x, y is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, D of x, y, the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay. So D and the midpoint D is 1 plus 5. Listen, D. So B and C. B and the midpoint of BC is D. So we have to take a point B and C. First one 1, minus 1 is a x1, y1 and 5, 1 is a x2, y2. Now we substitute the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So x1 is 1 and x1 is 1 and x2 is 5. So 1 plus 5 by 2, y1 is minus 1 and y2 is 1. So minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So 6 by 2, 0 by 2. 6 by 2, we cancel the 6 and 2 by using the 2 table. Then we write 3, 0. Then we get 3, 0. So the point D is 3, 0. Now we find out the length of the AD. Okay. So here we use the distance formula. What is the distance formula? In 2 points, distance of 2 points, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. So AD is a median through A. Now we take a length of AD. So root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here AD. So we take a and D point. The A point minus 1, 3 and D point 3, 0. So now we substitute these values in this distance formula. Then we write root of 3 minus of minus 1 the whole square plus 0 minus 3 the whole square. Then we write 3 plus 1 the whole square plus plus minus 3 the whole square. 3 plus 1, 4 square. So 4 square we get 16. Minus 3 the whole square we get 9. So root of 16 plus 9, 25. So root 25 value is 5. Therefore the length of AD, the length of median AD is 5 units. Okay. Now we see the fourth sum. The vertices of a triangle are 1, 2, h, minus 3 and minus 4, k of the centroid of the triangle is at the point 5, minus 1. Listen, the vertices of a triangle ABC given if the centroid of the triangle is at the point. So the centroid of the triangle is 5, minus 1. Then find the value of root of h plus k the whole square plus h plus 3k the whole square. Okay. So first we find out the centroid. Centroid formula what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay. So listen, first the vertices of triangle what? First one 1, 2 and second one h, minus 3 and third one minus 4, k. So in this point we take a x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Now we use the centroid formula. Centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So here in this sum we given centroid 5 comma minus 1. So we substitute the values x1, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2 and y3 in this formula. We get 1 plus h minus 4 divided by 3 comma 2 minus 3 plus y3 divided by 3. Here the centroid is 5 comma minus 1. So here we substitute the values in centroid formula. Then we write 1 plus h minus 4 by 3 is the x point. So we compare the x point and y point. Then we write 1 plus h minus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Okay. So 1 plus h minus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Then 2 minus 3 plus y3 divided y3 what? K. So 2 minus 3 plus k divided by 3 is equal to minus 1. Listen, here we write the separate manner. So 1 plus h minus 4. Then we write minus 3 plus h divided by 3 is equal to 5. So minus 3 plus h divided by 3 is equal to 5. Here we use the cross multiplication. Then we write minus 3 plus h is equal to 15. Therefore h is equal to 15 plus 3. Then we write the value of h is equal to 18. Then now we compare the y point. 2 minus 3 plus k divided by 3. Therefore minus 1 plus k divided by 3 is equal to minus 1. Now we take a minus 1 plus k is equal to minus 3. Therefore the k value is minus 3 plus 1. Then the value of k is minus 2. Here we found the values h and k. Now we find out the value of root of h plus k the whole square plus h plus 3k the whole square. We substitute the h and k values in this formula. Then root of 18 plus minus 2 the whole square plus 18 plus 3 into minus 2 the whole square. 18 minus 2 16. So 16 square. At the 18 minus 3 2s are 3 into minus 2s are minus 6. So 18 minus 6 the whole square. 18 minus 6 12. 12 square. Okay. 16 square plus 12 square. 16 square what? 256. And then 12 square 144. So root of 256 plus 144 is equal to root of 400. The value of root 400 is 20. So the value of root of h plus k the whole square plus h plus 3k the whole square is equal to 20.